Hello students, I'm Dr. N. Kavita and this is LPV Chemistry Learn, Practice and Victory. Students, today we are going to see what is power of hydrogen, which is also called as pH. I hope that you know that the water's pH is 7. Similarly, the acid to base pH varies from 1 to 14. Let's study the importance of pH. Let's move on with the session today. Thank you students. The question given is how strong are acid and base? As you know that a strong acid and a strong base dissociates to H plus and OH minus ion respectively in water, whereas a weak base and a weak acid does not dissociate completely in water. Now you know that there is the pH chart. The pH chart is nothing but a colorful chart. The pH is written like P, small p with a capital H. It is known as potential or power of hydrogen. What does it mean? H plus ion concentration is measured. So the pH measures effectively how acidic the solution is. How acidic the solution is. If it is not acidic, then it is base. If it is not acidic, it is a base. Base will have your OH minus ion. Now you're going to see how are you making use of this chart. Let's take a beaker and the beaker contains concentrated hydrochloric acid. You take a dilute. You're going to make another dilution here. You're going to take water. The water does not contain any H plus ion. Now this is highly populated with H plus ion, the concentrated hydrochloric acid. Add the concentrated hydrochloric acid to water. Now the H plus ion starts emerging. This is dilution. You can do series of dilution to achieve the pH 2 to 6. So you can do series of dilution. Now let me take a pH strip. This pH strip, when dipped in this concentrated hydrochloric acid, we find a red color one. Now I'll check the red color with this chart. I see that it is pH 1. Now take another strip, pH strip, and put it in the dilute HCl. I find the color as orange. Let me check what pH it is. The pH is 4. Now students, you should be able to prepare the pH from 1 to 6 by dilution. Now students, take base. You are taking NaOH. Let's take NaOH, concentrated NaOH. It has got more of OH minus ion. Now take another beaker with water. Add concentrated NaOH. The OH minus starts emerging. You can do series of dilution varying from 8 to 13. Now take the pH strip, put it in this. What is the pH that you can find? The color changes to dark blue. So you can find that the pH is around 14. Now take a pH strip and put it in dilute. You find the color as blue. Let me check what color it is. It is pH is around 9. So students, this is how you can check the pH by using the pH chart and pH paper. Now in order to make, I'm making one more, I'll show you how to make the further neutral. So you take a beaker, you add equal number of H plus and take equal number of OH minus, it becomes your neutral. So you can still vary the pH from 2 to 13 by adding both. So it is very important that every time you dip this pH paper and check the color. The gastric juice has got pH 1.2. This gastric juice is formed in the stomach. The lemon juice that we drink is having a pH of 2.2. Blood has a pH of 7.4. Milk of magnesia is nothing but magnesium hydroxide. It has a pH of 10, and sodium hydroxide has a pH of 14. So this one gives you what range the solution is. Now you take a neutral. The neutral will have equal number of OH minus and H plus ion. As you move from left, which is 8 to 14, you will find that the pH will increase. The concentration of pH in 13 to 14 is more. It has got more OH minus ion compared to the 8. Here your OH minus ion gradually increases. Whereas if you go to the acid strength, if you see acid strength from 6 to 1, it gradually increases. Here the acid strength H plus is less when compared to the H plus ion is more towards the 1 to 2. So acid strength increases from right to left and neutral increases from left to right. Remember this, students. Let's move on to the next question. You know what a pH is? The definition of pH? The definition of pH is, as I already told, it is how acidic the solution is. So it gives importance to the H plus concentration. So how the H plus concentration becomes the factor of deciding the pH. For the normal growth of plants, the pH needs to be 6.5 to 7. The digestive system of a body, the stomach should be having an acidic pH of 1.5 to 4. If there is a tooth decay, you will find a pH of 5.5. So it is advised to have to brush your teeth every every day. And the self defense of animals and plants, they produce some acidic chemicals. These are happening in our daily life. Now let's see some of the naturally occurring acids. Vinegar that we use for pickle, it is acetic acid. Orange and lemon has got citrus fruits, these are having citric acid. Tamarind has tartaric acid. Tomato has oxalic acid. And sting and nettle sting, they have methanoic acid. That is the reason we get a little of reddish rashes when they bite. So these are the importance of pH and naturally occurring pH, uh, how to prepare the dilution and how to get pH ranging from 1 to 14. I have explained in this. Now let's see what pH is and what a pH chart is. So I believe that I've completed the importance of pH. Let's move on to the next video. And students, I want you people to like, share, and subscribe my videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.